Melissa here with LovableLoops.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I add the beads to my watermelon dress. You're going to need your red yarn, tapestry needle, and black pony beads. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Thread your red yarn onto your tapestry needle. Now I have my completed dress here. I have turned the dress inside out, so this is the right side, this is the wrong side. I'm working on the wrong side, okay? I'm going to place my beads in the second to last row of red. And what you're going to want to do is get those beads in between those double crochet stitches. So I'm just going to pick a starting spot back here, and I'm going to bring my yarn through. So I'll see my yarn back here, but I won't be able to see it from the front, okay? I apologize for the lighting. It is a little later in the day. So I'll thread my yarn through the back of that stitch, and then I will add my bead. You're going to want to push that bead. You're going to want it to end up between those stitches there. Okay? And then immediately after where I place my bead, so in the next stitch, I'll bring my yarn through. So now this bead is going to be in between those two stitches there. So you can see from the front here, you can see the bead, but you can't see the yarn that we used to attach it. And I'm thinking maybe every fifth stitch, so let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I'll do every 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on that fourth stitch. Thread your yarn through. Add your bead to your tapestry needle. And these are large pony beads. Okay, push that bead down so that it's between those two stitches there. And then you'll bring your yarn through the back of the next stitch. Okay, so your pony beads are ending up between the double crochet stitches, and you are threading your yarn through the back of the double crochet before and after the spot where you want your pony bead. Okay, and that will keep those in those spots. And as you can see, when you turn it right side out, you can see just the beads, but you can't see the yarn that you used to attach them. So my next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring my yarn through the back. Okay, make sure that stays flat. I will add my pony bead. Okay, make sure I smush that down into the center space there, and then in the stitch right after, I'll bring my yarn through the back. Okay, and you can do it however close or however far apart you want for as many rows as you want, okay? So I'll just continue that around for my dress. Count 4 stitches. On that 4th stitch, I'll thread my yarn through the back, add my pony bead to the space. Let's go ahead and do one more together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th stitch. Bring your yarn through the back. Okay, make sure it's nice and flat. Add your pony bead to your tapestry needle. And then you're going to bring your needle through the back of the next double crochet, and then just push that bead down to the center. And there you have it. Make sure your yarn's nice and snug, and just push those beads down. You might have to just make sure they're showing. Just push them through like that, and that's all you have to do. All right. I hope you guys found this video helpful. My pattern for my watermelon dress is currently a free download when you sign up for my email list. If in the future I just add it as one of my free patterns, I'll have the link for that below, but I'll also have the link to sign up for my email list and the link for my blog where I have lots of other free crochet patterns. And don't forget to check out my channel where I have a lot of other crochet tutorials. All right, thank you.